'tis the season to recycle.
Deck the website is delightful.
Collection days are scheduled later. For bottles, cards and wrapping paper. Fill your food recycling caddy. Turkey sprouts will take them gladly.
Bookie trees in for collection.
Speed the team will come and get them.
Let's go to a meeting on CC.
Ho, ho, ho.